Welcome to 99minds, the platform to manage omnichannel loyalty and gift card programs. In this video, we're going to walk through the process of refunding an order amount to store credit using Heartland. First, make sure you're logged in and directed to the dashboard screen. As you can see, there are several sections here. Next, we need to verify if Heartland is installed. Click on the Integrations tab, and you'll see the installed integrations. You'll find Heartland listed there. Click on Manage to confirm that it's enabled. With the integration status active, we can proceed to set up the order refund to store credit. Navigate over to the Heartland point of sale. Here it is. Let's take a look at creating a new ticket. This is where you'll find the new ticket. The next step is selecting a customer. I've selected John Doe as our customer. After adding them to the sale, it's time to add a product. You can search for the desired product and add it here. Once the product is added, the order is ready to be placed. The total amount comes to $147.69. Click on Tenders to process a cash payment for this amount. After adding the payment, proceed by clicking on the Complete tab. This will finalize the order. Now you will see the option for return. Click on the return to initiate it. We need to return this order amount as store credit. Click here and enter -1. Now subtract the amount by clicking on Tenders. You'll see various options here. Select the gift card and navigate to 99minds. Search for John Doe, who we've previously selected. Examine John Doe's profile to check their store credit details. Currently, John Doe's store credit balance is $159.69. Copy this store credit number, return to the Heartland point of sale, paste it, and click Lookup. The current balance is $159.69, and we need to refund this amount to store credit. Click on Add Refund. Finally, complete this ticket and head back to 99minds. The processing is underway. We're done. Now let's go back to 99minds to confirm whether the amount has been credited. Refresh your browser. You should see the amount of $147.69 credited, with the source listed as Heartland Retail. Check the timestamp, date, and client order ID for verification. And that's how you refund an order amount to a customer's store credit. Thank you for watching.